Lincoln. So finally got a little something interesting on the new camera. The night vision, we're uploading that now. And it looked like one of these red orbs that we've been seeing lately. Look at that. Wow, it's like fluttering there. Look at that. That is awesome. Woo-hoo. That is super cool. Thank you for showing off like that. It's the first time I see you do it like that. I want to say, where'd he go? Seen it go towards the right. Still around, I'm panning around now. I think it took off. Not sure, it's a warm one today. It's like up in the 80s. Shot up again. Anyway, so a few clips, got some stuff on the Psionics. I find it very interesting. It's off at a distance from the house, and then I did a couple clips with the iPhone, and I filtered one of the clips also at the end on the iPhone. So just a little heads up there. And that should be uploading at 3 o'clock. It's 2:30 now, 2:34. And it is Tuesday, 5th of December. Peace.